बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। My name is Maria Jahangir and I am from Department of Apparel and Textile, Rana Liaquat Ali Khan Government College of Home Economics, Karachi. Today, my topic is wardrobe planning for first year. What is wardrobe? Wardrobe is a collection of clothes. The collection of clothes you have is always changing. New clothes are added to meet new needs or keep in style. Old clothes are removed because they are worn out, no longer needed or out of style. By planning your wardrobe, you will have one that better meets your need. Few of us ever have an opportunity to select an entirely new wardrobe, but it is possible for each of us to have a complete wardrobe which has all the features necessary for the enjoyment of clothing if we make plan. A wardrobe plan is a strategy, game plan, or formula for meeting your clothing needs. It can be simple or detailed, but it should be designed to meet your needs. Wardrobe planning will help you make better use of items that you already own. It will help you to decide what you need to add to your wardrobe. It will serve as a guide for future additions. Having a wardrobe that works for you means you can find something to wear quickly each day, and you have clothes that are appropriate for your lifestyle. It means you like the clothes you have and many items can be worn together. The approach to wardrobe planning is the same for every person, man, woman, student, parents, executive, or anyone else. It is the same approach for those with a limited budget and those with no limit on their budget. Factors that influence a wardrobe plan. Climate. Each weather zone has its own particular requirements. People who live in regions where snow are part of winter season need more seasonal clothes than those who live in moderate climate regions. Community. Whether one live in cold regions or a hot region, the size of the community also has an influence on their wardrobe selection. People living in cities need more clothes than those living in small towns or villages. People living in large metropolitan cities are more fashion conscious. It's easier for them to look for and purchase new fashion clothes. Family circle. Home and family interests also influence wardrobe planning. Home is the background for many activities in a person's life. Family activities. Wardrobe planning is influenced by activities of an individual. Working women need more clothes than a housewife. An individual who is in sports will need clothes and accessories for sports activities too, with their other requirements. Family budget. Family budget is a major factor which influences the wardrobe planning. Every individual in the family has clothing need, so while planning the wardrobe, the budget should be considered so that the needs of all members may be fulfilled. Steps for planning a wardrobe. Evaluate your lifestyle. Write down your usual routine for 2 weeks period. Include all your activities and hobbies. Take inventory. An inventory is a list of what you have. At the beginning of each season, make a list of each thing you have. Begin by trying on each garment. Note the fit, color, whether it is still in fashion, how well you like it. Sort clothing into categories. After evaluation, place each garment in categories. Mostly people have clothes which they wear frequently and those which are seldom worn and ones which are never worn. The four categories are clothes that will remain in your wardrobe, clothes that need repair before you can wear them, clothes that you need to revise because you seldom wear them, clothes that you need to retire because you can no longer wear them. Clothes that remain. These are that you like and wear often. Organize them by type. Make a list or a chart with titles like day wear, informal, party wear, semi formal, formal, activities wear, uniforms, sports wear, etc., night wear, sleeping suits. Clothes that need repair. These are the clothes that you could wear, but they need little mending like a torn off button, a hem allowance to be adjusted, a stain to be removed, etc. Some clothes need redesigning to make them wearable. Move these items to your revised pile. Sometimes a garment cannot be repaired without major investment in time and money. If so, you will have to decide whether to repair it or move it your retire pile. Clothes to be revised. These are the clothes that you seldom wear. Look carefully at the clothes in this group. Think about why you do not wear the particular garment. Does the garment have some matching missing? Perhaps you could try a new color combination with it, or you may wear it in a new way. Does the garment not fit well? Is it comfortable to wear? Whether the garment needs little alteration? It may not fit in with your tastes, your wardrobe, or your lifestyle. In that case, make a note as to why it does not suit you. Put it in your retire pile. Clothes to be retired. This category includes the clothes that you have outgrown or that have worn out. You may have added some that cannot be revised or redesigned, or some that are simply mistake. If the clothing is still wearable, pass it along its relative, neighbors, or a charity. If the garment is not wearable, the fabric may still be in good condition. You can recycle it into projects or household uses. You may have a garment that you cannot wear, but you cannot bear to give it away. It may be a gift from someone special. In that case, wash or dry clean and store it out of the way. Decide what you want. Now look at your list. If you find things missing in any category, compare the list of outfits, activities, and clothing needs. On the list, cross off needs you can take care of with the outfits you already have. Add to the list those items needed to complete an outfit. This list tells you the things you need to add to your wardrobe. Plan to buy it according to your budget. Need versus wants. Wardrobe planning involves both needs and wants. All people have basic human needs. Meeting these needs provides satisfaction. A want is a desire for something that gives you pleasure and enjoyment in life. Emotional needs often creates wants. Prioritize. You should prioritize or rank the clothes that you need. If you have outgrown or worn out a major item, such as a sweaters, jeans, or pair of boots, you will need to replace it. Evaluate your alternatives. Most people would love to be able to have all the clothes that they need and want. However, most of us have limited resources. We may not have enough money to buy everything we want. Know yourself. The more you know about yourself, the easier it is to plan a wardrobe that you will enjoy wearing. Your clothing choices are influenced by your lifestyle, personality, values, family, friends, and other groups. Your personality and values are expressed through your preference for certain styles, colors, and fabrics. What you do and where you live influence the variety of clothes that you need in your wardrobe. Special activities and occasions determine your need for special clothes. Even the roles and responsibilities that you have within your family and other groups influence your wardrobe. For some people, peer group pressure and advertising are a major influence. Every time you consider adding a new item to your wardrobe, you should ask yourself the following questions. Do I really need it? Does it go with other items in my wardrobe? Can I wear it for more than one occasion? Can I change the look by changing the accessories? Are the color, style, and texture flattering to my personal clothing and coloring and body shape? Your wardrobe plan is your roadmap for choosing the best clothing for you. So, this was our topic wardrobe planning. In this topic, we covered the points, the definitions of wardrobe and wardrobe planning, factors that influence a wardrobe plan, that is climate, community, family circle, activities, and family budget. Steps for planning a wardrobe, that is evaluate your lifestyles, take inventory, sort clothing into categories, clothing that remain, clothes that need repair, clothes to be revised, clothes to be retired, decide what you want, need versus wants, prioritize, evaluate your alternatives, and know yourself. Thank you.